Now we are going to see the separation and how do you separation of mixtures. What is mean by separation? The process by which the components of mixture are isolated and removed from each other to get pure substance is called separation. When and why do we need to separate mixtures? When we need to remove impurities or harmful components from the mixture. For example, stones from rice. Next, when the useful component has to be separated from other components. Example, petrol from petroleum. When a substance has to be obtained in highly pure form, for example, gold from gold mines. There are different types of separation techniques. That one is hand picking, another one is threshing, winnowing, filtering, churning, sieving, sedimentation, decantation. These are all the different methods to separate the pure substances. Now we are going to see the hand picking. How do we separate a stone from rice? If the stone are visible different from the grains, they can be easily picked and separated by hand. This is called as hand picking. The stones can be separated from grains by using hand, so it is called as hand picking. The next, churning. What is churning? When very fine insoluble solid have to separated from a liquid, as in butter from curd. This is known as churning. The mixture is churned vigorously when solid butter will be collected on the slides of the vessel. Both butter and buttermilk obtained from churning are useful and can be consumed. The next, threshing. What is threshing? When we pluck flowers from plants, we are separating the flowers from their stalks. Can we do the same for food grains like rice and wheat? It is not possible because the grains are small in size and also the quantity is very large. Farmers separate grains from their stalk by beating them hard. The grains are separated from their stalks. This is called threshing. Then another one is winnowing. Rice, wheat and other food grains are covered with husk, which cannot be eaten by us. Husk is very light and gets easily blown away by a breeze or wind. The method used for removing husk from grain is called winnowing. This winnowing method is used to remove the husk from grain particles. It is called as a winnowing. This is done by dropping the mixture slowly from a height in the presence of wind. Lighter solid husk will be carried by wind and will be collected in a separate heap by heavier solids. Grain will fall closer and form a separate heap. Then another one is sieving. What is sieving? Sieve is similar to a strainer. Sieve is similar to a strainer. Sieving is used when we have to separate solid particle of different sizes. For example, bran from flour, sand from gravel. Wire measures a strainer. Sieve is used to separate gravel from sand at a construction site. Another one is straining. It is used to strain solid particles from liquid particles. Then another one is the sedimentation. Sedimentation means rice and pulses are often mixed with very fine straw, husk and dust particle which have to be removed before cooking. Are you familiar with the way this is done at home? Yes, to remove this particle, rice from pulses are washed in water. The lighter impurities float while heavier rice grains sink into the bottom. This is called as a sedimentation. The heavier solid particles are sink to the bottom. This is sedimentation. The next, decantation. This process is done after sedimentation. This decantation process is done after sedimentation. The supernatant liquid is slowly poured out from the container without disturbing the sediment. The sediment particles are settled down. The sediment particles, without disturbing, the slowly poured into the supernatant liquid is from the container. The water is obtained after decantation is called the decantate. The process of separate liquid above the sediment is called decantation. The next, filtration. We use filter papers to remove the finer impurities. A filter has very fine pores, much smaller than soil particle. Let us see how to use the filter paper. Take a piece of filter paper, fold it to a cone. Slowly pour the muddy water over the filter paper. On filter, clear water flow down the funnel and mud settled as a residue on the filter paper. This method of separating insoluble component from a mixer using a filter paper is called filtration.